You felt this before. You're talking to someone. It's going well. They're smiling. They're engaged. And then something shifts. The energy drops. They pull back slightly. The vibe changes and you don't know why. So later, you replay it in your head. Was I awkward? Did I say too much? Did I try too hard? Here's the uncomfortable truth. It probably wasn't your looks. It was the signals, the nervous laugh, the extra explanation, the instant reply, the subtle panic when someone pulls back. Attraction isn't about perfection, it's about stability. And the moment you start signaling uncertainty, people feel it, even if they can't explain it. Let's talk about what those signals actually are, and the last signal we're going to talk about, it's the one that quietly destroys your presence in every room. 1. You rush everything. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you respond. You reply instantly, you laugh instantly, you agree instantly. Rushing is a subconscious confession. It says, I don't want to lose this moment. I hope you still like me. I'm trying to secure approval. Attractive people don't rush, not because they're slow, but because they're not afraid of space. When you move calmly, pause naturally, and respond on your timing, you communicate something powerful. I'm not afraid of losing you, and that's attractive. 2. You overexplain yourself. Someone questions you, you give your answer, then you add more and more and more. You start defending a decision nobody attacked. Overexplaining doesn't make you clearer. It makes you look unsure. Confident people say what they mean. Then they stop. They don't beg to be understood. Every extra sentence you add after your point lowers your perceived certainty. Certainty is attractive. Desperation for validation is not. 3. You react too fast, emotionally. You get slightly ignored, and your mood shifts. Someone makes a joke, and you take it personally. A text isn't answered, and you spiral. Here's the harsh truth. Emotional instability is unattractive. Not because emotions are bad, but because unpredictability feels unsafe. Attraction is built on emotional steadiness. When you can handle small tension without cracking, people feel grounded around you. And grounded energy is magnetic. 4. You seek micro reassurance. Are you mad at me? Was that weird? Do you still like me? Those small check-ins might feel harmless, but what they signal is dependency. Attractive people don't constantly scan the room for confirmation they're accepted. They assume they belong. And if they don't beg to stay. Neediness is rarely loud, it's subtle, but it leaks, and people pick it up instantly. 5. You try too hard to be liked. You soften your opinions, you laugh at jokes you don't find funny, you agree just to avoid friction. But here's something most people learn too late. Attraction isn't built on agreement, it's built on authenticity. When you slightly disagree, when you hold your ground calmly, when you don't shift yourself to fit everyone else, you become real. And real is attractive. 6. You give away your attention too easily. You're always available, always responding, always present. Scarcity creates value, and that includes your time. When your attention feels unlimited, it feels cheap. When your attention feels intentional, it feels earned. Attractive people aren't distant. They're selective. And that subtle difference changes everything. You don't need a new face. You don't need a new body. You don't need a personality transplant. You need stability. You need slower movements, fewer explanations, calmer reactions, less validation seeking. Attraction isn't about perfection, it's about control. And the moment you stop leaking insecurity through small behaviors, people start seeing you differently, not because you changed who you are, but because you stopped signaling weakness.